This is a behind the scenes look on how I was able to shoot one camera and pull off a scene. Today we're at the school. I just decided to pick up the camera and do a shoot. So I'm gonna show you how it was accomplished with only one camera. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So doing these one camera shoots can be quite difficult. I used the camera here. All I was using was an iPhone. The placement is very important where we put the camera at. Doing a one camera shoot, you don't have the different angles, the possibility of all the different angles. So it's repetition that you're gonna have to do the same shot over and over and over. The first scene being the coming into the classroom shot. What I did was I put the camera about 8 feet from the door, and I shot the same shot over and over just to get that one perfect shot. For the coming in and sitting down, I wanted to get different angles. So what I decided to do was try to get a full body shot, mid body shot, and what you also want to try to get is a close-up shot. So getting 3 different shots. So then you have a variety, you'll be able to mix up your different shots. Getting those B-roll shots are important. If I had taken out, didn't shoot anything where it's up close, if I just did all wide shots, nobody would want to see something like that. So to spice up your video a little bit, you want to get some of those B-roll images, some of the images of you up close, some of the images of you doing some type of action. Take the camera, set it a little bit closer, and have it down, point it at an angle, and that was an easy way to achieve the B-roll shot. Another good angle was that straight on shot. Coming down, shooting at an angle where I was looking straight ahead. From the top, the camera is a little bit tilted down, it's above me. Great shot for showing the action of me typing on the keyboard. So this was another angle that I decided to use. The exit shot was quite simple to achieve. What I did was I used the scene from the beginning of the video where I walked into the classroom. Well, because I'm only shooting with one camera, I had to walk out the classroom first, turn around, and walk back in. So there you go. I had my exit shot of me actually leaving the classroom. So that was how that was achieved. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how I was able to shoot the entire scene with only one camera. Again, all I used was the iPhone and the gimbal. So that'll be a conclusion of how I did everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned each week for more videos to come.